Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup like restaurant, updated. Start by simmering an enriched stock and keep it at a gentle simmer, not a boil. Brown your proteins and mirepoix before adding liquid to add depth. Skim foam early, then slow cook for flavor concentration. Adjust salt gradually and finish with acid and herbs. Taste often and serve hot in warmed bowls for the authentic restaurant experience. For restaurant texture, keep the heat low and steady so proteins release collagen without clouding. Strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove impurities and create a silky finish. Use immersion blender or puree portions for body, then whisk in cream or butter off heat for a glossy emulsion. Layer textures with garnishes like crisped shallots or herbs to contrast smoothness and add visual appeal before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy kitchen tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and sharp after grocery runs or farmers market trips. It pairs strangely well with soup runs, and it makes every commute feel nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Season soups in stages so each ingredient contributes balanced flavor throughout cooking. Taste after concentration and correct salt, then add acid like lemon or sherry vinegar near the end to brighten the dish. Swirl in butter or cream off heat for sheen, and finish with fresh herbs or a flavored oil for aroma and color contrast. Serve immediately in warm bowls to preserve texture and temperature like a restaurant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.